Hello, good day everyone, and welcome back to the channel Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. And today we are with Mr. Ayaz Khan, who is selected in Maersk for his BSc Nautical Science. For the unknown, Maersk sponsors cadets for their BSc Nautical Science program also. So he has been selected in Maersk and he will be doing his training in Amit. Welcome to the channel, Mr. Ayaz Khan.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and before starting this short of interview, I'll introduce myself, gentlemen. My name is Amit Sangwan. I'm a master mariner, and I have a sailing experience of about 16 to 17 years, and about 1 year of being a maritime faculty. Well, apologies for the same because I've been repeating the same thing again and again, but that should be okay. For those people who are watching the video for the first time, it was for them. We will straight away go with this interview part with Mr. Azaz Khan with certain questions which he was asked in his Maersk interview. But before that, we are going to ask Mr. Azaz. Mr.
Sir,
Azaz,
Ayaz.
okay, apologies for the same, Mr. Ayaz. Okay, Ayaz.
Yes, sir.
Ayaz, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure, sir. Sir, my complete name is Ayaz Khan. I am from Dehradun, the capital of Indian state of Uttarakhand. I completed my schooling from a well-known school of my state. And sir, I am so thankful to my teachers to provide me a good guidance, because of which I am able to introduce myself in front of you. I have a requisite interest in painting and I participated in different competitions held in different school of my state. And sir, I am able to bring laurels for my school most of the time. I found myself as a hardworking personality, which I learned from my father, who is a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker who leaves no stone unturned to provide us anything. And sir, now I am planning to give them a better life being in a merchant navy. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, Ayaz, don't be nervous. It's absolutely
Yes,
fine. Just chill. It's okay. It's not a company interview or something. We are having this interview so that the candidates who are watching it or students who are preparing for Merchant Navy, they will get some kind of a help. So just be relaxed. It's absolutely fine to be relaxed. Okay. Where did you come to know about Merchant Navy? Why Merchant Navy? Why not some other field? How did you come to know about Merchant Navy?
So basically, my journey towards coming this industry started from a small seminar in my school, where a person came from a merchant navy and gave a seminar. And sir, I become so fascinated towards it. Like sir, when I search more about the merchant navy, it becomes my dream job. And I think, sir, this profession gave me opportunity to live my passion as a profession. And also, I don't want to deny the fact that this profession pays me well for my hard work. That help me to achieve my dreams as well as my parents' dream also. That's why I want to join merchant navy, and that's also the reason how I came to know about the merchant navy, sir.
Okay. Ayaz, you have been selected for this dual ship program where you will be trained as a deck cadet also as an engine cadet also because Maersk runs this program. And if I'm not wrong, this program is for about 4 years. So that you'll be doing in Amit University for 4 years.
No, sir.
Okay, how much it is then?
The BSc is for 3 years and BTech is for 4 years.
So you will be doing both BSc and BTech, right?
No, sir. I have been shortlisted for BSc Nautical Science.
Okay, you have been shortlisted only for BSc Nautical Science. That's about 3 years. After that,
Yes.
Maersk will absorb you. But the fees, did they tell you about the fees? The fees for BSc Nautical Science for 3 years is really high. How much is the approximate fees for this program?
Sir, in Ahmed, it's around 10.5 lakh, including hostel fees also.
Okay, that's a huge amount, as not everybody can afford
Yes,
it.
sir.
Not every middle class person can afford this kind of a money. Okay, so you have told us from where you got the information about Merchant Navy. In your Maersk interview questions, you told me that you were asked to introduce yourself, which you have already done. Then another question was that why do you want to join Merchant Navy? And I think you have replied for that also. The third question which was asked to you was about your strength and your weaknesses. What was the answer you gave for this question?
Sir, if I talk about my strength, I am optimistic kind of personality. I find easy to talk to any strangers. Also, sir, I can easily handle stress. I'm emphatical and inquisitive by nature because I always want to learn more knowledge.
Yeah, that's your strength. And what's your weakness?
So the only weakness I am left with is that, sir, whenever I do anything for a very long time, uh, I feel my interest on it. It might be possible, sir. Another reason for joining merchant navy, because in this field, I have to came across different challenges. I have to do different course. I will give different exam for different post also. So for me, that profession will not become monotonous for me, sir.
Okay, now telling this here in front of me, it's a very easy thing I ask, but when you actually appear for these exams, it is really be going to be difficult. Anyways, I don't want to demoralize you. That's okay. The next question, which was asked by the Maersk interviewer, was about your achievements. So, what are your achievements? What was the answer you gave?
Sir, I gave the same answer which I mentioned in my introduction, that I have a requisite interest in painting, and I participated in different competitions held in different schools of my state, and I'm able to bring laurel for my school most of the time. But sir, then interviewer asked me another question also, that what is your biggest achievement? So sir, I replied that till now I don't have any biggest achievement, but if I sponsored by Musk, then it will become the biggest achievement for me.
Okay, that's a great answer with what you gave. Okay, the next question which was asked to you was, do you have anyone known in the Merchant Navy? So, do you have anyone known in the Merchant Navy?
Yes, sir. My two cousins also in Merchant Navy. One is able seaman and other one is second officer in Anglo-Eastern.
Okay, one is an able seaman, and your second cousin is in Anglo Eastern as a second mate. Anglo Eastern
Yes,
is
sir.
also a very good company. That's good. Why you don't follow your father's profession? You said your father is a businessman. Why don't you follow this? This was the next question which was asked in the interview. So I'm asking with the same questions. Why didn't you follow your father's profession?
So first of all, I don't have any feeling like my father to disrespect my father profession. But sir, my father owns a small garment shop, and my father invested their time, their hard work on me to see myself as a successful person. And sir, following his profession will not, I will not see him happy. And also, sir, my parents and me also have so many dreams which will not be able if I choose my father profession. Also, sir, as I also mentioned that I have a passion for merchant navy, and merchant navy also pay me well for achieving my dreams. That is why, sir, I don't want to join my father profession also.
Okay, as I must appreciate that this was a real, very honest answer what you gave. That's good. Now, if not Merchant Navy, what else you want to do? Suppose if you were not selected in Merchant Navy, what else would you have done?
Sir, I never made any different, and I never made my mind for searching another profession. My for one and last choice is always merchant navy. For that also, sir, I have a back. I also planned a backup. Like it's been 1 year gap between as I passed my 12th standard. So, sir, I also doing BSc in PCM from a government college, because I think if I am not shortlisted by any company, so after doing BSc, I get another chance also to join merchant navy. And also, if not merchant navy, then if I graduate, then I can give exams of government jobs also, sir. That's
Okay.
my second choice.
So left, right, center, top, bottom, you are just interested in Merchant Navy. Okay, that's a great,
Yes, sir.
yeah, that's really great. Okay. The next question which was asked to you was, how do you handle stressful situations? So what was the answer you gave?
Sir, I never consider any situation as stressful. Rather than I consider it as a challenge, because that challenges made a person's personality and persona. So this is the same answer I gave to the interviewer.
Okay. How many people were there in the interview? How many people were taking the
Only
interview?
one.
Only one person was taking an interview. He was a master mariner, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, what are your educational qualifications as of today? This was the next question which was being asked. Your educational qualifications as of today.
Sir, for today. I passed my 12th with aggregate 82%, and I passed my 10th with aggregate 78%. And so that's and also I'm doing BSc from government college. That's the educational.
So you must be in your
Okay.
second year BSc now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Now, the
Sir,
next,
sir,
yes,
in my interview, what I found is the interviewer were asking the same question again and again. So like you ask me strength and weakness. The interview first also said that tell me about your strength and weakness. Then again in 5 minutes they are like asking the same question but in different way. Like tell me you are good at, like three qualities you are good at. Then again in 5 minutes they are like anything you want to change in yourself. So like these are the questions they are again repeating. I think they want to see if we are real or not, or we are just giving the robotic answers.
that's right. Okay, right. That's a great thing you told, and it will be really helpful to the viewers who are viewing this video. Okay. Next is, why should we hire you? That was the question which was being asked. So what was the answer you gave for this?
So for this question, I said first of all, I would have working hard for my selection. I regularly study and making my personality more good. And I am a success oriented person and want to achieve success in every task of my life. And for that, I work with full of my determination for the proliferation of the company because I believe if company progress, I ought to progress. Also, sir, I want to become a responsible mariner in your esteemed company, and I will prove myself as a mariner on which company can trust. So that is the answer I gave.
That was a very good answer indeed. Again, the same question was being asked, your biggest achievements, but that you have already said that the biggest
Yes,
achievement
sir.
will be to get selected in Maersk. The next question was asked was about your hobbies. So what are your hobbies?
Sir, I am very fond of traveling offbeat places. I like to play football and listening music because it rejuvenates me and makes me happy.
Okay, that's great. And the next question was asked was number of oceans and continents. So what was the answer you gave for this? Number of oceans and
Sir,
continents.
yes, sir. Sir, there are five number of oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and there are seven continents: India, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica.
Okay, that's great. So these were the questions which were asked
Yes,
by
sir.
the interviewer in the Maersk interview. I'll be asking
Sir,
yeah, go ahead.
sir, I also noticed that some of my friends also given his interview. So if a interviewer was happy with your personal question, they will not tell more about the technical ones. Also, my friend gave his interview in which his interview he asked him a lot of technical questions. It might be possible that he is not happy with his personal questions or
Okay, so I understand. So if you make the interviewer happy with your personal questions, then
yes, sir.
they won't go into technical questions. Okay, there are some other questions which are not from this Maersk interview point of view. This you have already we have already asked those questions. You have got answers to them. When you were preparing, of course, definitely you must have appeared for IMU CET, right?
Yes, sir.
From where did you come to know about IMU CET?
Sir, I just go to the website. Like as I said, when I got to know about the merchant navy. I just search it on YouTube, on Instagram. There are most more influencer. So from there, sir, and also I visit the IME website also. From there, I know about the IME city exam.
Okay. What was your rank in IMU CET? If you don't want to reply to this question,
No,
absolutely
sir.
just say pass.
So in Fab batch, I gave IME city and I score 439 rank.
439 rank. That's okay. When will you be going for your training in AMET?
Sir, maybe October.
October, you will start your training for BSc Nautical Science. Okay. What was the type of questions being asked in IMU CET? Can you remember, can you recollect some questions which were asked in IMU CET? How did you prepare for your IMU CET?
Sir, I want to say if anyone just go through the NCRT book, then he or she then easily crack the IMU exam. And for aptitude and English portion, I prepared from Airman X and Y book. That helps me a lot, sir.
Airman,
Because most of the people X and
Airman,
Y book.
Airman X and Y group helped you a
Yes,
lot
sir.
in IMU CET.
So
Okay,
for
that
aptitude and English portion, because
for
most of the people don't know from where he is studying aptitude and English portion.
Okay, this is a very good thing you've told us. Airman X and Y group, you can read this for getting questions which are very similar in IMU CET for aptitude reasons. All right, that's great what you told us. So it will be really helpful for the students who are preparing for IMU CET. Anything else, any advice you want to give to the children who are or the youngsters who are preparing for merchant navy? Any advice you want to give?
So the only advice I want to give who are studying in 12th, just focus on your studies on and your basics. The more you will achieve the PCM percentage, the more opportunity you will get in this field.
Okay.
So I have a 67% in PCM, and I know how I'm struggling because of my percentage. Because most of the companies don't consider people who have less PCM percentage.
But even after having 67% in PCM, you're selected in Maersk, one of the largest companies in the world, one of the best companies in the world.
So I think I work hard, and my hard work pays off.
Okay, all right. Did you attend any grooming classes or any coaching classes for getting selected in Merchant Navy? Now
Yes, sir.
you
I
attended.
join a personality development classes, sir.
You joined personality development classes. Okay, I won't be asking you which classes which you joined because they may not want to mention their names. All right, that's great. Anything you want to ask me, or is it okay if we just complete it here?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just want to ask you, how was your journey, and in which companies you are sailing?
Okay,
You were sailing like.
okay, I am still sailing and my journey has been very good. I won't be replying here on this platform which company I'm sailing for, but it is one of the largest management companies in the world, one of the best companies in the world. I'm still sailing, so my journey has been very good. And I started in 2005, and from 2005 to 2021, it has been great. I'm now also working as a maritime faculty. That also I'm enjoying. Maybe someday you might find me in Amit as a faculty. You never know. But as of now, I'm still sailing, and I wish to continue sail. Faculty thing is only I'm doing only during the vacations. That's it. Anything else?
Sir, would you like to give me any advice, as I am going to do BSc Nautical Science?
No, see,
That also helped me for my future also, sir.
all the students who ask me what they should join, I always tell them to go for DNS, because I think it is only Maersk and some company, one or two, or most of the companies, they don't give sponsorship for BSc Nautical Science. It's only Maersk and I think one more company. Only two companies give sponsorship for
The V-ship.
V-ships.
Now V-ship also.
Okay, V-ships also gives. I was not aware of it. So only one or two companies give sponsorship for BSc Nautical Science. Otherwise, I would suggest students to go for DNS. But if you get sponsorship for doing BSc Nautical Science, they can go for BSc Nautical Science also. The fees structure is not different. Even in DNS, the fees is somewhere about 7-8 lakhs, and in BSc, you're telling it's about 10.5 11 lakhs. So the fees is not a problem. The other good part is that if you're doing BSc Nautical Science, then you have a graduation degree which is equivalent to our normal graduation degree what we are doing here. So at a later stage, let's say about 3, 4, 5, 6 years, 7 years down the line, if you want to do something else, if you have a graduation degree, of course, you can do a lot of other things also. You can prepare for government exam, you can go for UPSC exams or civil services exams also at a later stage. Anything else you want to ask me, Ayaz?
No, sir. That's it.
All right. Gentlemen, we thank you, Ayaz, for attending this. I don't call it interview, I call it a small chat session, to attend this chat session with us. And I hope that the youngsters who are preparing for Merchant Navy, this will definitely help them to prepare. And thank you, Ayaz. It was a real pleasure talking to you. And I hope to come up with more such videos to help young seafarers or young budding seafarers who want to join Merchant Navy. Ayaz, thank you. And thank you for giving us your time. And thanks a lot. And on my behalf and on behalf of all the youngsters who will be getting benefited with this chat.
And thank you, sir, from my side also for inviting me in your program. You are doing a very good job, sir.
Thank
This
you.
will help a lot of new candidates, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Ayaz. Gentlemen, I'm going to stop this video here. Any questions, any doubts, you can put in the comment box. Either me or either Ayaz will definitely reply to your questions. you can directly get in touch with Ayaz by commenting in the comment box. Either me or Ayaz will reply to your answers and reply to your questions. Gentlemen, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you find this video useful, please share this video, subscribe this video, and share with your friends. And please do press the like button. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Ayaz, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right.